Imagine creating professional PowerPoint slides in just a few minutes, even if you're not a design expert or very good with PowerPoint. Sounds interesting, right? Let me show you how AI makes this super easy. So to start creating our PowerPoint slides, we are going to use a very interesting AI tool called Gamma app. So you just Google Gamma app, and this is going to be the one that we are going to use. After clicking on the link, you need to create an account and sign in. And after going through those steps, this is going to be the page that you're going to see to start creating your PowerPoint slides. I'm going to click on Create New. And then to start creating our PowerPoint slides, we have three options. It depends on what you have to start creation. For example, if you have some notes or outline that you want to use to create your PowerPoint slides, you can go with this option, or you can go with just a very simple one-line prompt, or if you have any file or URL, you can use this option. I'm going to use this option, create from a one-line prompt in a few seconds. I already wrote down my prompt before, so I'm just gonna copy paste this from my notes. And remember that the more specific be your prompt, you're gonna have a better result. So include as much as details as you can. Okay, so this is the outline, which shows the order of the slides. And I'm going to click on continue. If you notice, it's written this will cost 40 credits. When you start creating a free account, initially you have around 400 credits. Because I already used it before to create a PowerPoint, I lost some credits. But each time when you create a PowerPoint slide, you're using 40 credits out of around 400 credits that you have from the beginning. So here we are going to see some themes here that you can choose based on what you like and what you like to look like, and you can choose from here: professional, colorful, dark, and light. For example, this is the dark ones, these are the professional ones, and here we have the colorful. So I'm going to choose both dark and professional, and probably I'm going with Gamma Dark. This is the one that I like. Okay. So after choosing the theme, then we're going to click generate. And here we go. We have our PowerPoint slides here. Very easy and very quick. Okay, so your Gamma has finished generating. Here we have a navigation bar that can go through the slides, and you can change the view. For example, this is how it can look like, and then this is the list view. Okay, so this is the first slide that we have got. It looks pretty good. That's exactly what I like. It's true that it's generated with AI, but still we have this option to add some personal touch. So for example, here we can remove the image if we don't like it, or we can edit it. For example, I can give a prompt here, and then it's going to generate an image based on the prompt that I'm giving to the AI. So you can still have some personal touch, definitely, or you can even fit the image so the whole slide has the image, and so on. The other thing is that you can change the card styling. So for example, let's say I wanted the image be on the left instead of on the right. So we can do that too. Or for example, this is the top layout, so you can change the layout. Or you can change the card color. For example, let's say because this is the first slide, I want it stands out and looks different from the rest of the slide. So maybe I go with this, or Yeah. Or no, I don't like that. Looks better. Yeah. No. Okay, let's say this is good for now. And we can also, for example, move this around, and yeah. So then we can move to the next slides. And then here, the other very interesting thing is that, let's say, for example, for the second slide, I want to add another column here. This is gonna take care of all the formatting and layout, so you don't need to worry, oh, if I add another column, then I need to like change the layout, or I need to adapt a few things. No, you don't need to worry about anything. You just decide what you want to do, and it's gonna take care of it by itself. But let's say I don't want it for now. And you can still have this option to change the styling here, and you can also edit with AI again. So for example, you can give a prompt here, and then based on the prompt that you're giving to the AI for this specific slide, it's gonna apply to just this slide. So that's really useful, I think. And you can go with any of these options, but it's gonna use 5 credits. If you like, you can, for example, let's say add one more black card here, and then I want to have this after the last slide, and I want to make this as a thank you slide. Just let's say keep it simple for now. Thank you for watching. Thank you. So you have this option to add the slides as well. And when we're done, there is an option that is very interesting. If you are doing a teamwork or you are working in an organization, you want that your team to see what you are doing, or they have a you have a collaboration with them. So there's a collaboration option here that you write their email address, and they're gonna have access to the file, and you can choose what kind of access: full access, edit, comment, this kind of things. Or you can just send the link to anyone you want to share the slides with, and they can just view it here. And the other thing is that export, which is a very easy option. You can export it to PDF or export to PowerPoint. And just by clicking on any of this one, you can have the file that you like. Also, you can export as PNG as well. And yes, that was all I wanted to show you for creating the PowerPoint slide with AI. It just took around 10 minutes, I think, maybe even less. If you like this content, please like and share. Thank you for watching.